Hello class, how are you all today? Kedu ka unu mere? Ama m na unu niile dịcha mma. Our topic today is family members. Isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị taa bụ ndị otu ezinụlọ. You know, when we talk about family, we have nuclear and extended family. In nuclear family, you will see the mother, the father, and their children. In extended family, you will equally see the mother, father, children, grandparents, in-laws, and so on and so forth. So at the end of this class, every member of this class should be able to know what to call each member of the family, or what the Igbos call each member of the family. Without wasting time, let's begin. Please pay attention so that you can know what to call your grandmother in Igbo, what to call your brother in Igbo, what to call your sister in Igbo, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's start by knowing what the Igbos call in-law. The Igbos call in-law Ogo. Ogo. Father-in-law is Nnadi maọbụ nna nwunye. So you know that father-in-law can either be the husband's father or the wife's father. So you refer to the husband's father as your Nnadi. The wife will refer to him as Nnadi. Okay? While the husband will refer to the wife's father as Nna nwunye. Mother-in-law in Igbo is nne di maọbụ nne nwunye. Okay? The person is nne di to the wife of the son. That is, the wife of the son will refer to the mother-in-law as nne di, while the husband to the wife will refer to the wife's mother as nne nwunye. I believe it's clear. Alright, let's go on. Husband in Igbo is di. Wife in Igbo is nwunye. Parents in Igbo is nne na nna. Nne na nna. Father in Igbo is nna. Mother in Igbo is nne. Sibling is nwanne. Brother is nwanne nwoke. Sister is nwanne nwanyị. Younger brother is nwanne nwoke nta. Younger sister is nwanne nwanyị nta. Grandfather is nna nna maọbụ nna ochie. Let me explain here. Grandfather we are referring to here is your father's father. So your father's father, you call him nna nna maọbụ nna ochie. Then your father's mother, you call her nne nna maọbụ nne ochie. Your mother's father, you call him nna nne maọbụ nna ochie. I believe you all are learning something today. Okay, let's go on. Then, your mother's mother, you call her nne nne maọbụ nne ochie. Grandchild is nwa nwa, nwa nwa. Grandkids or grandchildren is ụmụ ụmụ, ụmụ ụmụ. All right, we'll stop here today. Please do well to follow me on Instagram. You can see my Instagram name there. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notification when a new video is posted. Always remember that the secret to learn faster and become an expert is regular practice. Practice always. I will see you again in our next class. Nadenoma Kemesian.